Just want to point out a really common problem with these 1JZ non-VVTis, and it has to do with the cam sensors, which on a factory ECU sit down in there coming off the head. There's one, and then there's another one down in there. And what happens is, see if we can get this to focus, they leak oil into the pins. So the oil's dribbled all out there from being on the front of the engine. But symptoms are misfires, car just possibly won't start. And so I don't think it's just this seal here. I think it's the whole sensor, and it ends up coming through the pins. And then, where's my plug? It's not that one. Oh, here it is here. So see all the oil there? That's come out of the sensor, and it causes it to misfire once I couldn't even start my car. So it's a bitch to get to. You've got to take off the idle air control valve. Like I said, I've got an aftermarket one here. But then you've got to get down in there to get those bolts out. So take off the IACV, unbolt it, bolt in a new sensor. Mine's got aftermarket ECU, so it only uses one sensor. But factory ECUs have two sensors, so that may be why it keeps running even though it may have this issue. So there you go. Leave us a like if that was useful.